Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute pop-up card. So you pull this to reveal a Happy Father's Day son. Obviously you can adapt this for birthday or any occasion. So this was for my father-in-law for Father's Day. The main products I've used is these two from Temu. So we have this cute stamp set, and then we've got this road die set, and then I've used a Made to Surprise 6x6 pop-up die set, but I'm going to explain how you can make this without the die. So this is how the card turned out, and I think it's rather cute. And as I said, it's a 6x6 card. So I'm just going to walk through. If you don't have the Made to Surprise die set, I'm going to just tell you how you can make it without the die. So all you'd need to do is cut a piece of cardstock that's 5 3/4 inch square. So that would be for this back section here, where we're going to have our slits for the pull tab. So get a 5 3/4 inch square. What you do is you'll get a ruler and just line your ruler with the top edge of your card and come down and tick mark at 1/2 inch on both sides. Then you'd line up your ruler with those two tick marks, and you'd come across and tick mark at 2 1/2, and then your second tick mark would be just over 3 1/8. And then you'll get a craft knife and you will go from the 2 1/2 to the just over the 3 1/8 tick mark and make a slit with your knife. You would line up your ruler at those 1/2 inch tick marks that we did on the edge of our card, come down and tick mark from the 1/2 inch tick mark to 2 1/8. Do the same on this side. Again, line up those 2 1/8 of an inch tick marks, and again you would make your next tick mark at 2 1/2 and just over 3 1/8, and then you would get your craft knife and make a slit. So then you will have your two slits that your pull tab would be able to slot in. You would get another piece of card. You would cut it at 3/4 inch by 5 1/2. Okay. Then you would line up your ruler with the top edge of your card and come down and tick mark at 3/4 inch, and do the same from this side down here. Line up your ruler with those two tick marks, and you would come in and tick mark from the edge of your card to 1/8 inch, and also from this edge come in at 1/8 inch. And then you would do the same along the bottom. So line up your ruler with the bottom edge of your card, come in at 1/8 inch, and also on the other side, and then you would line those tick marks up, okay, from here to here, and just trim straight down and also across, and then you'll do the same again. So cut from the edge here inwards and then cut all the way down, so then you get this cut out bit here, and then you have your tab. So that's how you can cut your pieces if you don't have the die set, and then putting it together is exactly the same way as what I'm going to show you in the video. So if you don't have this die set, then you can also cut your pieces to be able to make this card. And I hope I explained that well enough. If there's any questions that you don't understand, then please put them in the comments and I'm happy to help explain that. Let's get on with today's tutorial. A 6x6 card base. Then I have die cut using this die out of some light blue cardstock. So when you die cut that out, you'll see you have the two slits on there, and these are for the pull tab. So then you want to die cut your pull tab, and I've cut it in white and then I've stamped the word pull. And then all we do is we go through from the front to the back, and then back through to the front, and just pull that down. I'm just going to bend that slightly so it leans towards the blue card. Okay, and then we want to add some liquid glue. You can use double-sided tape if you wish, and we're just going to go around all the edges, but you don't want to go right up to where that pull tab is, so just go around the edges, fill in this bit here, again not going too close to the pull tab, and then you're just going to fill in the rest. To glue this to the front of our card, so I'm going to try and center that like so. And as you can see, I have stamped this sentiment here already. So now we have our pull tab. Next we want to add our image that's going to go on the pull tab. So this will be the image that will pop up. So I have my son here, and it says Happy Father's Day. Obviously Father's Day has been and gone here in the UK, but you can adapt this to a birthday card. So all we're going to do is just add a little bit of glue along the bottom here. You can add some double-sided tape if you wish, and then we're going to line up the sun with the bottom edge of that pull tab. Make sure the sentiment is straight, and then we're going to hold that in place. Okay, so then when you pull that, it will move up and down. So now what we want to do is, I have this piece of green card, and I've used my grass edge die from Temu, and I've also stamped my sentiment. So this piece measures 5 3/4 by 3 7/8, and I've added my foam pads on the sides here. You don't add any to the bottom. Obviously, depending how big your image is, you need to make sure you leave enough space here for your image to be tucked behind. So we're going to stick that on here. Okay, and then obviously when you pull the tab, the sun will pop up behind there. So I've got this piece of grey piece of paper, and I'm going to have that along the bottom like so. So I'm going to glue that down. Then I have this road, and we're going to have that in the center there, so I'm going to glue that straight down to the card. And then I have all my other pieces that I've stamped and die cut, but I also need to colour in the images, but I'm going to show you the layout, and I'll colour all them in and glue them down and show you the finished card. So we have our plane here that's going to go on there, so that's pulling the thanks for steering sentiment. Then I'm going to have Dad here, so I'm going to place that along the bottom about there, and then I can place that where I want it, so something like that anyway. So that's how that will go. Then we've got the car that will go here, and we have this house that will go here, and then we have some trees that will go here like so. And then I will go in and use my marker pen and give some like stitched lines just to finish that off. So I'm going to colour all my images in, stick it all down, and then I'll come back and show you the finished card. So there we go, that is the card all finished, and then we just pull that up to reveal the sunshine that says Happy Father's Day. So I think this turned out really nice and I absolutely love this. And I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. As always, I'll leave the products down below for the main 2 products that we did to make the card. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care. Bye.